Here we have a brand new Ruud central air conditioner running, and it has replaced a 2002 2-ton Goodman, if you didn't already know that. But yeah, can't imagine what have gotten wrong with that Goodman. And we have two carriers running, carrier comforts. Caught both of these starting up before. And brand new Ruud unit. (2021) 2-ton. And this unit still remains. This is a 2002 2-ton Goodman. And we have a 2016 Goodman that is not running, but it has been now. And we have a Ruud. It's also been running from 2017. It's a 2-ton. And we have another 2016 Goodman. This one's a 2.5-ton. And it has not been running. And it still has its logo. And then this 2016 2.5-ton Ruud is also not running, but it has been running. This unit I have not seen run all summer. But yeah, brand new Ruud. The older Goodman must have died prematurely. Anyway, I guess that'll be about it.